The ColorTrack SmartWorks Pro system is one product with 3 configurations and a shared user interface, providing the customer with choice and the freedom to upgrade if required. Demonstrators can use the demo mode to show all 3 products' variants. Firstly, remove the dongle. Then start SmartWorks Pro and accept demo mode. In this mode, the program is fully operational, but all images will have a ColorTrack stamp. Select the variant to use: Scan for scan to file only, Copier for scan to print only, and Scan and Copy for scan to file and scan to print. After making your selection, press OK. Show the way that the software functions change depending on the version selected. Repeat demo by selecting a different version of SmartWorks Pro to demonstrate. After completing the demonstrations, replace dongle and restart SmartWorks Pro Scan and Copy. SmartWorks Pro has many features, but has been designed for ease of use, with a large, clear and responsive display for viewing and editing. In Scan and Copy mode, with the dongle inserted, we will apply the settings for the next document to be scanned or copied so that you can familiarize yourself with the layout of the screen. Select Edit Image on Screen and System Settings, and then use the drop-down menu to select the different controls. Current Image displays editing tools when there is an image on screen. Summary page shows an overview of the current setup. Although this cannot be changed, it provides an overview of how SmartWorks Pro is being configured. The System page shows the system settings, such as units and paper sizes. Scanner settings show the connection and auto-detect document. Printer setting displays which printer is selected and the driver to use. In Zoom and Viewing tool, a 4-view opens 4 additional windows that can be positioned anywhere on the document to assist editing. There's also a fully indexed help section. SmartWorks Pro enables you to pan, zoom and edit an image on screen immediately after a scan. You can also delete an incorrect scan directly from the applications without upsetting file numbering sequencing. This totally eliminates the need to reopen scanned files or pre-scanning before editing. Add to this that there's no need to switch to Windows Explorer to manage files, and the result is a system that greatly improves efficiency and productive workflow. This is how it works. Make sure that file numbering is enabled, and then scan an original image using Color CAD preset. You can easily zoom and pan around the image. Here's the scan number that will be incremented by 1 as soon as we scan the next document. The second scan is complete, and the number has increased by 1. If we need to delete the file, the number decreases by 1. If the image on screen is skewed, it can be quickly rectified by editing the image on screen using the deskew tool. Just move the manual deskew line to match the wide horizontal guideline. Because the whole image is displayed, it's easy to see what deskew needs to take place. Zoom in to the left-hand point and position the black square precisely. Repeat for the right-hand point and apply. You can immediately carry out any other editing that's required, such as cropping excess white space and apply. This next document is heavily marked. It can be scanned in the Color CAD preset and then be immediately edited using white point, black point and sharpening to improve the image. There's a full range of edit commands available in SmartWorks Pro. SmartWorks Pro has the ability to clean up originals and to convert images to black and white. Take this dirty CAD drawing for instance. With SmartWorks Pro in Scan and Copy mode, scan the original in BW CAD Copy preset. Select Thresholding and enable 4-View. The 4 additional movable Zoom View Preview tabs can be positioned around the image to assist finding the best setting when editing. Adjust black and white bitonal foreground and pan around the image to find one setting that works for the whole image. If you're unhappy with the image after applying a setting, just use Edit Undo. Here are the adaptive threshold readings. Adjust the foreground and background and apply. Then select Despeckle and adjust the radius to remove dots from the background and apply. Be careful not to remove too many large speckles, or it can remove wanted data as well. Use 4-View to optimize. SmartWorks Pro allows you to create customer presets and to export and import them to other systems. Firstly, select the Create Edit preset and then give the preset a new name. Then select the scanner settings parameters to be controlled by the preset, highlight the parameter in the list and adjust the value for each as required. Then do the same for scan filter and file control parameters, by adding or removing to and from the preset. You can export the presets so that they can be imported into another system with the same scanner. SmartWorks Pro can be used to create multi-page documents, such as PDFs and TIFFs. Multi-page documents made by scanning or from outside the scan process provide more efficient workflow. Files from other sources, such as cameras or small format